Hey everyone, welcome to the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to use XRay for Minecraft Bedrock. First, search in Chrome for XRay Minecraft Bedrock latest version. Click on the first site. Files. Download the latest file for the current version. There. Now just open this file. The import will start, then go to Settings, Resources, My Packs. Here's our X-ray. Let's activate it. Now let's enter a world. Oops, I launched the wrong world. There, and as you can see, it works. There, that's all. This has been Velour. See you later.